This video explains how labels work in Google's Mail program. We'll go over how to create labels and how to use them. I also want to mention that this video covers the way that labels work since an update that Google did on July 1st, 2009. So be aware that this video covers the features as they exist since that change. Many other videos you find on the internet demonstrate Google Mail prior to this change. Many people easily confuse labels with folders in Google's Mail program, but just keep in mind that labels basically function like you would expect folders to behave. It's just that in Google's Mail they're called labels. Now in our example here, you can see the labels listed to the left of your email. Project A, Project B, Project C, Project D, and very important are our 5 labels in this example. To see what's in each label, you simply click on the label itself. And right now we don't have any emails in these labels. To put an email in the label, the first way to do it is to simply click on this textured dotted part to the left of the email and drag it. And you can just drag this email into Project A, like that. The next way to do it is you can check the checkbox next to an email, and then you can use these drop-down menus for Move To and Labels drop-down. The Move To basically takes the email that you have selected and moves it to the label that you select. So we'll move this email to the label for Project B. And now that email, if you check in Project B, there's that email. The other way to change labels is, once again, check the box next to it and then go to the labels drop down here. And let's say for this email it's part of Project C, but we also want to label it as very important, so we do both labels. And then to finish, you click Apply, and now you can see for this email it has the label Project C, and it also has the label Very Important. Other than using labels and applying labels, the other important thing to note is how to create labels. To do that, you click on the More drop-down, which is below your list of labels, and you can see other standard labels such as All Mail, Spam, Trash, and then they have 2 options, one for Manage Labels and one for Create New Label. So we'll just create a new label, and when you click that, a dialog box appears, and we'll just call this new label Project X. And you click OK. And now when you look at our list of labels, we have a new label called Project X listed within the group. And so once it's there, you can just continue using labels like you were. And we'll take this email and drag it into Project X, and there it goes. And if we check in Project X, you can see the email in there. This concludes the overview of using labels in Google's Mail program. In general, using labels helps organize your inbox, makes life easier, and I hope this video helps you do that. Thanks.